What up, Fit Fam? We back here doing our thing with MTN Gijima. I'm your host, Numfit, and together we're making it happen. Right, guys, are you ready? Do you have your friends together? Let's do the crisscross as a warm-up for this session. And you're going to crisscross like that. As soon as you bring in the swing, it also does your obliques over here. So you just crisscross. Remember the swing for your obliques. Nice. This is a warm-up. Just to make sure we get the muscles up and running. You don't just get up out of bed and start rushing into your work, do you? You first have to walk around slowly. Your body needs the same thing. You're waking it up. You're saying, hey buddy, it's workout day today. You're not going to leave me. I'm here for you. Do you know what they say about workouts? The only bad one is the one that you don't do. We're going to start with a plank and a bum lift. So I need you to go on the floor, into a plank position. Now you're allowed to pop your bum. And you're going to go up, up and down, up and down. That is your bum lift, this is the plank. So bum lift, plank. This exercise will do your glutes as well as your core muscles. Remember, the core is what helps you sit up straight. It helps with good posture, just when you're walking around. And with a strong core, you actually find that other exercises are easier to do because that's where all the balance comes from. It's in the middle of your body. So as you can imagine, it's holding everything together. I call this one the Numfit alternating leg extension. I love this exercise so much, I just had to name it after myself. I need you to grab a bottle first. You can grab a bottle, anything you can use as a marker. And I want you to be on the floor. It's for your abs, just to prepare you. And you're going to extend your legs out and in, out and in, out and in. So you're just going around the bottle and you're making sure you're keeping your balance. It really becomes easier with time. When people see it, they think it's difficult. Let me just help you with the count because I know you struggle with it. So you go left, right, left, right, left, right. Got it? Now you keep going at that pace. When we exercise, we ride imaginary bicycles. This exercise is for your core. I need you flat on your mat, on your back, just like that. You're going to start in this position, 90 degrees. Put your hands to your side, and you're just going to ride the bicycle. Pretend you're seeing the pedals right in front of you. It's a nice, relaxed one for the core, but still effective. So reach out, pull your legs back in, reach out, pull your legs back in, and make sure you alternate them. You can come up a bit, will be more effective. Just balance on your elbows. There we go. Now you can feel it some more. Remember that it's all about how you do the exercise. One of the things I love the most about exercising is how you can find different variations of workouts and see something new every day. I'm about to teach you the tabletop push-up squat. Have you ever heard of something like that? Push-up and a squat in one. So you just go down like this, your arms shoulder width apart, your knees bent, and your toes on the floor. And I want you to push back into a squat. You're going to feel it burning there in your legs. You go back into a plank over there, push back into a squat, go back up, push back. You can feel it in your legs, just hold it. Now I can feel my legs burning here, I'm just going to hold, but it feels like there's literally fire running up. And you're going to go back down, push back. This is a good one for your legs. If you want to get those toned legs, this is the one for you. Calling all passengers to board the gains train. I'm going to grab 2 bottles just to do a chest press. Here they are, Mine are filled with water. I need you to lie down. Your legs can be bent. They can be straight if you want to. I'm more comfortable with mine bent. So I'm going to stay there. I need you to stretch out your arms with a bottle on each hand. And you're just going to pull it up, arms straight, and that is your chest press. You go down in a controlled movement. You pull it up again, close your chest together. You should feel your chest contracting right there in the middle. Nice. Make sure you keep your arms steady and straight. This will get you a nice chest. Make it strong so that you can do the push-ups when you want to. Remember to keep it steady. Have you ever seen those really big wrestlers? They're called the sumo wrestlers. We're going to do a sumo squat with calf raises. So I need your toes to point to either side of the room, and you're going to go down and you're going to lift those heels off the ground. It's really working your inner thigh as well as your calves. It's a difficult one, but if you stay with me, I'll get you to that finish line. Let's go. I need you to do this for 30 seconds. Make sure you feel that burn at the bottom. You know what they say? No burn, no earn. Let's go. No burn, no earn. Witness the fitness. Now that's how you get that sunshine, summer feeling. Remember that new videos drop every Tuesday and Thursday, so make sure you follow the MTN page and train with us at MTN Kajima.